Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so very much for being here. I hope you are having a terrific Tuesday. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun unboxings. We do a little bit of everything here. We do beauty, lifestyle, home decor, fashion, accessories. So if you enjoy subscription box unboxings, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you join our YouTube family. And guys, don't forget, if you enjoy the video, please do give it a thumbs up and hit that notification bell so you are notified when I upload. But as you can see, today we are going to be opening the May 2020 Adult Dot Boxx. I am so excited. This is one of my absolute favorite subscriptions to open, and it is always on point. Now, if you are not familiar, this is a period subscription, but it's also a lifestyle subscription, and it is jam-packed to the brim every month with amazing products. So obviously you would get period essentials. Now you can actually opt out of the period essentials. It will save you a couple of dollars if you opt out, but I think it's a good thing to have even if you don't have your period anymore, because you can have them, you know, on stock for guests in your bathroom, or you can donate them to a women's shelter. So either way, I think it's a great option just for a couple of bucks to have, because you can also get like Advil and like a disposable heating pad, things like that, some tea, different things that are in there that you may like. And I just think it's fantastic. Now, like I said, this is also a lifestyle box because in addition to the period essentials, it's going to be jam-packed with some kind of snacks and then all kinds of goodies that could be self-care, lotions, all kinds of stuff. And then other amazing, unique, quirky, fun, spunky items, and it's just fantastic. I love it so much. I will put a link down below if you would like to check them out, along with all the pricing and everything. They do also have a teen box, and they have, which I absolutely love, a first time period box. I think it's amazing that they did that. And when I say they, I'm talking about a mother and a daughter. They run this. The two of them solo put these boxes together. Shauna, the mother, she does the adult box. Her daughter does the teen box. They are the dynamic duo. They just kill it every month. But enough talking. Let's get in here and see what we got for May 2020. So when you open it, there is a card on top. It will go over the items, and then we kind of got some squigglies. So I'm gonna kind of move those out of the way. All right, so then you can kind of see more of the goods that are, so I told you it's filled, like it's packed. So it says, your May theme is Hello Beautiful. Let's face it, if we weren't required to leave home during quarantine, you pretty much let yourself go. You were wearing the same bun or ponytail, your nails looked a mess, and you did good to shower every day. This month's box was created to take you back to a time when you bathed daily and actually cared about feeling soft, feminine, and beautiful. No matter how you're handling it all, let us be the first to tell you that you're doing an amazing job and you can only do what you can do. Just hang in there, girl. We'll continue to get through this together. I love her personality so much. All right, so then it goes over what is inside. So first I see, and this is one thing about the subscription, you guys, that I love. You fill out a profile when you sign up for Dot Boxx. And when I say profile, I mean like down to your shoe size, your shirt size, what your favorite candy is, what scent you like when it comes to lotions or candles. You know, if you take baths or showers, so they notice some bath bombs or shower steamers. I mean, it is an extensive profile, your favorite colors, all kinds of things. So one of the questions, like I said, is your favorite candy. And look what I have sprinkled here on top. Almond Joys, which is one of my favorite candies. So we have those, and then I see some Famous Amos cookies, yum. And, oh, I've never seen this, but my goodness gracious, this is a Nature Valley Crispy Creamy Wafer Bar, peanut butter and chocolate. You guys seen these before? I've never seen those, but oh man, that sounds amazing. All right, so that's our snacks. All right, so we have our first item. so we got past the snacks, is a facial steamer. And it says herbal facial steams are a wonderful way to relax, open pores, and deeply cleanse the face. Steamers encourage your skin to breathe and perspire, allowing facial tissues to relax and release toxins as it promotes oxygenated blood to the surface of the skin. They assist with dirt, makeup, and sebum removal, and as a result, causing pores to appear less prominent and revitalized. This is for all skin types. And it is organic with hibiscus, chamomile, calendula flowers, lavender, rose petals, and orange peel. I can't really smell anything through the plastic, but it looks so pretty. And it gives you the directions right on the pack, which I appreciate. All right, and then let's see. We have a whipped soap. Says, we have a new creation for you. We formulated a scent that's a little of everything: spice, sweetness, and a hint of earthiness. Your soap was hand whipped with coconut oil and aloe vera oil and doubles as a body wash and rich shaving cream. A feminine, relaxing blend of warm spice, cocoa butter, and coconut. Let's see what it smells like. Ooh. Oh, it's not lotion, y'all. I was about to rub it on me. I mean, I guess it doesn't matter. That smells so good. And you see how like just yummy goodness whipped. Oh, love that. All right, and now it looks like we actually have the matching lotion. Shea butter lotion, handcrafted in the same fragrance. Your lotion was handmade with the perfect combination of shea butter and a nourishing oil blend. Ooh. So now I can actually put it on my hands. Put it right here. Oh, that feels nice. Oh, I do like that smell. And it is like that is a very unique smell, and it smells fantastic. Like, I don't know. Whatever the combination they chose is, it's amazing. It smells just, I love that. Okay. And then we've got whipped cocoa butter. Ooh, okay. For years, we've heard about products enriched in shea butter. Not to be outdone, cocoa butter has been a staple of skincare for centuries. We found cocoa butter in its rarest form and whipped it to perfection with some of the best nutrients for your skin to create a jar of pure cocoa chocolatey goodness. It's safe to use as a moisturizer on your face, feet, and every body part in between. It does have some facial benefits here that it goes over. I'm not going to get into all that. That's a lot. But it tells you everything that's on it. Let's give it a smell. Oh my gosh, that smells just like chocolate. Y'all, that smells like a Hershey bar. Like, that legit smells like a Hershey bar. Oh my gosh. And it's like butter. It's because it's whipped butter, but y'all, oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Y'all. Okay. They're killing it. They're killing it. They're killing it. And then the next item. Now, this is one thing too. When you join Dot Boxx, they actually have a Facebook group, and you can go on there and they will do polls for future boxes, like, would you like this? Would you like this? That? Do you not want this? Different things. And it's really nice. And they actually did a poll this month where they had a lash serum listed. So they actually gave us the option to swap for a candle if we didn't think we would want the lash serum. Just the candle. So let's see, because I'm all about a candle in any form. Love candles. Okay, so I got the candle out of the bubble wrap. They had it wrapped so well. They did not want anything to happen to it, which I appreciate. And the candle, y'all, it's kind of like a little mini mason jar, which I love. and it says, "Hey, sweet thing." That is adorable. And it says it's brown sugar, honey, and cinnamon. It is a 9-ounce, 100% soy wax candle from Basic Candles. Oh my gosh, y'all. I know this is going to smell fantastic. I have no doubt. Y'all, that goodness. That just smells phenomenal. I mean, literally imagine brown sugar, cinnamon, and honey. It's just this warm, comforting. It just smells so good, y'all. Oh, I'm so excited. All right, and then we have our period essentials. So we have, you can actually select, another thing I love about Dot Boxx is you can not only select pads or tampons, you can literally select the brand and type of tampons and pads and the number of each that you would like to receive. So I really, really like that. Here's some of the loose leaf tee. They have panty liners. So like I said, you can customize even the period essentials, which is fantastic. And then it looks like we have one more item, and it says, and they had, well, first of all, let me tell you, they've given us like a sneak peek, but not enough that we knew what it was on the Facebook page. So definitely join that if you sign up. Love Meets Crafts. It says Etsy. This is from Etsy. It says satin robe. Oh, slip into this silky smooth satin robe that's gentle on your skin, adding that final touch to a day of pampering. Wear it over your nightgown as a fashionable light cover-up, or wear it for a lush feel as you relax and unwind. It's lightweight and perfect for year-round. Like, I just instantly kind of just went, oh, like comfort mode. And oh my gosh, I love, 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 love the color. Oh my gosh, do you guys see this? Okay, let's see. I'm like ready just to slip into it now and be like, okay. You guys, oh my gosh. This is so soft. I could only imagine like getting out of the shower, putting on these amazing the body butter and the lotion, and how this would feel like, oh, I love this so much. Y'all, oh, you just don't even know. And like I said, it did come with the tie, so I could tie it around and, oh, wear it around the house. Yes. Love it. Okay. So that is everything we got in our May 2020 Dot Boxx. We got this gorgeous satin robe. We got the Hey Sweet Thing. Well, it says thing, but you know, I say thing. Candle, which you could have gotten the eyelash serum in place of. We have the whipped soap. We have the lotion. The whipped body butter that, like I said, legit smells just like a Hershey bar. We have the facial steam, the botanical facial steam. And then we have our snackies, the Nature Valley wafer bar, the famous Amos cookies, and some almond joys, and of course, our period supplies. So let me know what you think. Let me see, usually they'll tell us about next month. So yes, next month's theme is Say It Isn't So. Your box will be filled with quirky sayings to lighten the mood in these stressful, somber times, plus self-care items and snacks, of course. I can't wait. It's going to be a fun box, I have no doubt. So again, let me know what you think down below. I love hearing from you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. And like I said, the link and all the information for Dot Boxx will be in the description. I hope you have a terrific Tuesday and a wonderful week, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.